We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the Nextmug, a temperature-controlled, self-heating coffee mug that promises to keep your beverage at the perfect temperature wherever you are. This mug offers 3 preset temperature settings: warm at 130 degrees Fahrenheit, hot at 140 degrees, and piping at 150 degrees, allowing users to select their preferred warmth and enjoy their drink for hours. The mug features a long-lasting lithium-ion battery that maintains the ideal temperature, with LED lights that display both battery life and real-time temperature. It includes a spill-resistant lid and a charging coaster for convenience. One of the standout features is its simplicity. The mug has an onboard control button that turns it on or off and sets the temperature without the need for any app, passwords, or connectivity issues. This makes it highly accessible, especially for those who prefer straightforward operation without the complications of Bluetooth or smartphone integration. The Nextmug is expertly crafted with an elegant ceramic matte finish over a durable stainless steel body. The patented ergonomic design of the mug and handle fits comfortably in the hand, making it ideal for use at home, in the office, or in a home office setting. It is also positioned as a perfect gift for a wide range of recipients, including parents, grandparents, teachers, and graduates. The product was designed and tested in Boulder, Colorado by a team with decades of experience in consumer products, ensuring a thoughtful approach to its development. Users have praised the Nextmug for its reliable temperature maintenance and ease of use. Many appreciate the clear on-off button located on the side of the mug, which is easy to find and prevents accidental activation. This is a notable improvement over competitors like Ember, which have on-off switches located underneath the cup and rely on sensors that can be unreliable. The Nextmug's temperature settings are straightforward and intuitive, with 3 distinct levels that cover most users' preferences. The spill-resistant lid is highly regarded for helping to keep the coffee warmer for longer periods, while reducing evaporation and the risk of spills. Some users even report that their coffee tastes better from the Nextmug, possibly due to the lid's effect on preserving flavor and temperature. Compared to other smart mugs, the Nextmug stands out for not requiring an app. This eliminates common issues such as unreliable Bluetooth connections and complicated interfaces. Users who have experience with the Ember mug often highlight the frustration with its app and sensor inconsistencies, making the Nextmug's no-app approach a welcome change. Battery life is generally good, though some users note it may last closer to 2 to 2.5 hours with the lid on, rather than the advertised 4 hours. Charging time can feel lengthy, taking a couple of hours from fully depleted. The mug performs best when starting with a hot beverage. It is not designed to rapidly heat a cold drink to the desired temperature, which can drain the battery faster and take longer. For this reason, many users recommend keeping the mug on its charging coaster when not in use to maintain temperature and battery life. The mug's capacity is 14 ounces, which is appreciated by those who found smaller mugs like the Ember's 10-ounce size insufficient. The handle is ergonomically designed to fit an average closed grip comfortably, and the mug feels lighter than a typical ceramic mug of similar size, though the battery adds some weight at the bottom. Some areas for improvement have been suggested by users, including offering a slightly larger 16-ounce version, increasing the battery density for longer use, speeding up the warming process, adding more texture to the handle to prevent slipping, and providing a closable lid option to further prevent spills and retain heat. A minor downside is the charger's barrel plug, which does not allow for USB-C charging, limiting charging cable options. The mug's base and charging design require care to avoid getting the base wet, as the small spring-loaded nibs used for charging can lose their springiness over time, a known weakness shared with similar products. Despite this, the Nextmug's design places one nib in the center of the base for added durability. Overall, the Nextmug is highly recommended for anyone who wants a simple, effective way to keep their coffee or tea at the perfect temperature without fussing with apps or complicated controls. It is especially useful for office workers, remote workers, and those who often find their drinks cooling too quickly. It also makes an excellent gift due to its ease of use and thoughtful design. The Nextmug combines smart technology with practical usability, delivering a reliable and elegant solution for beverage temperature control. We encourage anyone who owns this mug to leave their own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and supporting the channel by using it is appreciated.